Hello all! Many of us love to eat eggs and toast for breakfast. Today we are going to marry the two into a quick and wonderfully scrumptious preparation called egg toast. So let the ceremony begin with cutting a slice of bread as shown. Before you wonder which part is not needed, let me tell you we need both these parts of the bread for the egg toast. So don't lose any of it and repeat the same with the other 3 slices of bread. After cutting the bread slices, we need to prepare the egg mixture. For that, take 2 medium-sized eggs. Then add 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of chopped capsicum, green bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of chopped tomatoes, remove the seeds of it, and 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander, along with half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of oregano, and half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Mix everything together and add 30 ml of milk at room temperature. Mix it again thoroughly. Once the egg mixture is ready, add 1 teaspoon of oil or butter on a medium heated pan and place the crusty part of the bread. Then pour the prepared egg mixture. Place a slice of cheese and top it up with the remaining part of the bread. Press it gently and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium heat. Flip it over after 2 or 3 minutes once it has turned golden brown. Lastly, sprinkle some sesame seeds and your delicious egg toast is ready. Enjoy this healthy delight and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Lots of Cooking.